To connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your Roku TV. So you can do this by making use of your Android phone. So you can connect your Oculus Quest 3 to your phone by casting it, and then you can just cast your phone to your TV. So first of all, for your Oculus 2, just go ahead to your phone and go to your Meta app. Then just go ahead and cast your Meta Quest. So there are a few options you can do this in, but as long as you cast your Meta Quest, it should look something like this. But anyways, once you've done that, you can go ahead to your mobile device. So on your mobile device, you can go ahead to your settings like so, and you're gonna have to find an option to cast your phone. So you just go ahead somewhere in like your settings and to more connectivity options, or as long as it's here into the cast option. You're gonna go ahead and turn this on, and it's gonna show you the available devices for casting. So turn it on and it's gonna go ahead and search. So in your Roku TV, make sure the casting option is always available. So to do that, you're gonna go ahead into your settings over here, your Roku settings. You should be able to press it on your remote, and then go ahead into the system. In your system, you're gonna go ahead to the screen mirroring option and make sure it's toggled on the prompt option. So when the device tries to cast to your TV, a prompt on your TV screen will ask you to confirm. So you're gonna have to press on confirm on that request. Once you do that, it should just now cast from your phone to your TV. And since it was casting from the Oculus 2 as well, it should technically now be on your Roku TV as well. But that's pretty much one way you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.